about what to post on LinkedIn in 2023 and in 2024. These are some new LinkedIn content ideas. Your content marketing on LinkedIn is your single strongest way to start attracting clients to your business. LinkedIn has 800 million active users, and the content that you create has the ability to get your perfect prospect to step out of the shadows and reveals you as the sole source for the solutions that they are seeking. And please understand, there are people on LinkedIn right now who need what you do, and they are actively looking for a solution. Your ability to get in front of those people with your marketing message through content marketing will reveal yourself to them as the one who can get them there. What's up, everybody? It's Prouty, and for the last 23 years, I have had thousands of paying clients come to me to help them wildly grow their businesses. These are people who can impact lives and simply want to profit doing something that they love. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. You're here watching this video to learn how to get new clients into your business. I create training like this every single week. If you'd like to jump the line and get this training before anyone else, now is the time to subscribe to this channel. So here are 3 content ideas that very few people are using that are going to do incredible things for you. The very first is creating educational content that demonstrates you can give a transformation in advance of them ever having a sales conversation with you. The more you give and the more you educate is directly related to the more people that will come to you seeking that solution. What do most people do? They guard their information. They don't want to teach. They're afraid that they're going to give too much and people aren't going to want to work with them. But the exact opposite is true. And I have found this, and the thousands of people that I've worked with have found this. The more we teach, the more people want to come to us. When you educate, you get a higher quality prospect coming to you. They are ready to buy when they come to you, so your sales process is easier. The sales cycle is faster because they already know you can do what you say you can do. So educate every step of the way. The next piece of content that very few people are using are testimonial videos. What I recommend is the moment somebody has a good experience working with you, ask them for a testimonial video. Ask them to take out their phone, look at their camera, and talk about where they were before they started working with you and where they are now after they worked with you. Make it a quick video, under a minute long, and take that video and put it up on LinkedIn as a demonstration of your capabilities. Now, a quick word of caution, you want to make sure that your testimonials demonstrate the results that everybody can get working with you. If it's a unique instance where not everybody can get those results, it's not exactly ethical to produce that testimonial and put it up there. We do want to produce testimonials for the results that everyone can get in working with us. And while this next content idea isn't exactly new, it is new to a lot of people because there are very few people that are doing this, and it is to create LinkedIn carousel posts. You create a carousel post by creating multiple images that demonstrate a path or a journey or give a certain number of tips about something or a step-by-step strategy, export it as a PDF, and then upload it as a document into your LinkedIn post. What LinkedIn is going to do is it's going to take that document and allow people to page through it. It's interactive. We find great results when we produce these organically, and even better results when we use carousel posts in ads. So create a LinkedIn carousel post to get your prospects interacting with your content. And I want to share one awesome tip with you that you can start using this moment to create better content for LinkedIn. But before I do that, if any of this has resonated with you, I created an awesome on-demand workshop that you can go to right here. Just go to proutyclass.com and take this free on-demand class. You start watching the moment you get there. It's going to teach you a new step-by-step strategy for attracting clients from social media. I know you're going to love it, and I know you're going to get a ton out of it. So just go to proutyclass.com and check out that on-demand workshop. All right, here is a ninja tactic for you. And pardon me, if you are a real ninja, don't show up at my office with your throwing knives or whatever and throw those at me. I don't mean to offend, but here is a ninja tactic that you can start using right away. It's to go to Google, and when you're in Google, type in your niche, whatever it is that you do, and then when you're scrolling through the search results, find the section called People Also Ask. That's going to show you the top questions that are asked about your niche. What better way to create great content marketing than by answering the top questions that people are asking about what you do? So that's my big tip for you today. You can actually start doing that right now. And while what I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing you need right now. YouTube thinks this video is going to help you, so you should probably check that out. But before you do, click on my face so that you get first access to every new training I create.